dolls, welcome back to my channel. Why I have to lean up to y'all? I have to tell y'all a secret or something like that. But anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell y'all, girl, you is popping. Yes, girl, you is popping. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look right here, go ahead and stay tuned into the video. But first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Go ahead and just click the button, subscribe, bloop, click subscribe. You're part of the FoureverDoll family. Don't you ever leave. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get on to the video, y'all. I love y'all so much. Mwah, mwah. Okay, so I already went and done my eyebrows for you dolls, and I've already primed my lids for my eyeshadow, so we're gonna go ahead and get started in the eyeshadow. So the first palette that I'm gonna be going in with is my Tartette palette. It's just Tartette by Tarte. I don't know, they don't, I guess it comes from the Rainforest collection maybe. But we're gonna be going in that palette first. I'm gonna be going in and getting me a transition color. I'm gonna go light. We're gonna go with light colors. So I'm gonna start with this one as my transition color. And I'm just gonna work that one into my crease. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the Force of Nature color, and that's this one right here, and I'm gonna use that one to go ahead and put underneath my crease, underneath that transition color that I just got through applying. I'm gonna work that in. I'm gonna go back and pick up a little bit more, tap off the excess, and continue to blend that in my crease. I'm gonna stop right here at the middle and just blend backwards. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and start to kind of darken it up. I'm gonna pick up this Natural Beauty color right here. I'm gonna pick up that color and begin to work that one into my crease, and I'm gonna mix it with the Best Friend that's right on the side of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start to darken it up. I'm gonna go in with this Dreamer color right here. It's kind of like a lightish brown. It's not really too dark, and it's not really light either, but I'm gonna go ahead and start working that one into my crease right at the bottom of the crease, so we can start darkening it. Alright, now I'm just gonna go and take my blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Just so that it's not too harsh. And just like that, I'm gonna go in with the Multitasker, and that's the darkest brown that's here, and I'm gonna use that to put on the edges of my crease, and we're just gonna pat that in there lightly. And I'm gonna take my blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to be using the color Angelique, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take that in the inner parts of my crease. I'm going to go ahead and take my Sephora smudge brush, and I'm just going to dip that into the palette and just pick up that product and begin to place it right in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up some more product, but this time I'm going to spray my brush with Mario Rosewater Setting Spray just to make the color pop a little bit more. And I'm just going to do this a couple of more times just to build up that product. Okay, y'all, so I am going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then once I complete this eye, I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so now that I have both of my eyes completed, and I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera too. Now that I have both of my eyes completed, we're going to go ahead and move on into hydrating and priming the face so that we can go ahead and put on our foundation. I'm going in with the Rainforest, Tarte Rainforest drops to use to highlight my face. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to just put it down the highest points of my face. Oh my god, it always comes on so fast. There we go. I'm going to put another one here. Ow! And another one there. And no, that crap was not funny. Alright, I'm going to use my beauty blender to just blend it out. So now I'm going in with my Nars foundation, and I'm going to be using that to, I'm going to pour, I'm just putting it on my face actually. Just going to put it there, just like that. Yep. There we go. Yee! Just trying to take my out. Where's my clip when I need one? Oh, this one right here, guys. I hate to pin you up, girls, but you're in the way. Alright, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to spray with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray to help blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Nars Concealer and I'm going to be using that to highlight. And I'm going underneath my eyes. My chin, my nose, and then just a little bit on my forehead. And I didn't know this concealer was going to match my skin so closely, so I'm going to go in and add a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape just because it's lighter. I'm going to add a few dots, and you can tell that it's lighter. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm only putting it underneath my eyes because I like for my eyes to be really, really bright. So I'm just only putting it under there. I'm going to take my beauty blender, spray it again, and use that to blend out my foundation, my concealer. Well, actually, I'm going to take my concealer brush. I'm going to spray that one. And I'm going to use this to blend out my concealer. You just don't come out looking ashy and overpowdered. Overpowdered. Yes, girl, what she said, you look like overpowdered. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face and give it some time to lock everything in. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyelashes. The lashes that I'm going in with today, I purchased from my HEB, y'all. HEB is coming on up. Let me tell y'all that it's selling some bomb.com lashes. So they're by Kisses. They're by Kiss. And it's called Lash Couture. And we're going to go in with these little Flirtatious lashes today to complete our look. So they're real cute. The name of the lashes are called Lavish. Because I know y'all was going to ask me that next. What's the name of the lashes? They're called Lavish. And they're not really long. I just like them because of the style. They kind of slant to the side. So I was like, oh my God, that would be so cute. So I had to have them. You know when you just gotta have something. No. Getting stuck to other stuff. I hope they be as cute as what I imagine them to be. We finna see. I don't know, y'all. I don't think I'm liking them. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, they're cute. Let me not even lie, they cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other one, but let me show you what I'm talking about. You see how they're slanted? They're like slanted, and I like that. They go off to like the side. All right, now we got that one on. Okay, maybe doing some justice. Give me some eyeliner underneath. They're gonna be real cute, especially when I let my hair down and stuff. So I'm feeling it. It's okay. I'm feeling it. We with it. It's okay. So now we got my lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and do me some under eye while I'm still waiting for my makeup to set in. I'm gonna go in with this brown underneath my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in my Wet n Wild contour palette, and we're ready to go ahead and contour. And we're just gonna do a powder contour. It doesn't have to be too dramatic or drastic. Gonna keep it looking natural. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Okay. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty highlight, and I'm gonna use that for my glow. I'm going in with the pink one at the bottom right here, the fourth one. Tap it up. Pop it in right that way it belongs. Boom. It just shows up and it pops when you set your face first and then go in and apply your highlight. You'll love it so much more. Coulourpop Lippie in the color Calypso. Went right in perfectly. Alright, thank you all so much for watching my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have enjoyed this video and you absolutely loved it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and give me some comments in my comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!